So what is Steemit? Well, Steemit or steemit.com is a social media website, and you could think of it as a combination of Facebook and Reddit, and that people can upvote other people's posts. Now, what makes Steemit different from other social media websites is that they actually pay you to post content. You could also get paid to upvote other people's content. So right now I'm looking at the trending section where you can see the most popular posts at the moment. And as you can see, there's a dollar amount for all these posts here. And so this person here with this post called Hots or Shots episode 4, well, let's just click on that. And as you can see, it's a video. So there's different types of content you can post on Steemit. It could be a video, an article, a meme, just a photograph. But let's look at the dollar amount here. Currently it's $739. So it's a pending payout. They pay you after 7 days, and it's actually split between the person who made the post and the curators, or the people that upvoted. So this person here is going to be getting 75% of this amount, and the other 25% is going to the curators. Now, this dollar amount is not US dollars, it's actually Steem. Okay, so that's the cryptocurrency that you're getting paid. And if you want to cash it out, you would just convert it into Bitcoin, and then convert the Bitcoin into US dollars or whatever currency that you prefer. Now let's go back to the trending section. Okay, so let's take a look at all these other posts here. This one is currently at $445, $581. So the great thing is, you know, a lot of people are actually making a living out of this. They've been able to quit their jobs just by posting every day on Steemit. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to be able to quit your job or that you're going to be successful with Steemit. You know, I make no guarantees in this video. I don't know your work ethic and the amount of effort you put in to your business, but I'm just letting you know of the potential of posting on Steemit. Now, what I want you to do after you watch this video or these videos is to go to steemit.com and open an account, because it could take a few days for you to get approved for an account. I've actually heard of people getting their accounts approved after a few weeks or even months. So it's important to try to open an account with Steemit as soon as you can.